a hard truth. Reality is, it is mostly the women who drop out of labor force. Women का LFPR कम क्यों है? मैं डिस्कस, तुमको सवाल दिया था मैंने लिखने को, जब हमने LFPR लिखा था तो मैंने बोला था आज का तुम्हारा असाइनमेंट ये है, वुमेन का LFPR कम क्यों है? किसी ने सोचा था इस विषय में? When you are of this young age, 21, 22 years, at this time, you are willing to go out and work. Let's say the parents say that we would want that our daughter also goes out and work. You are preparing, but if you are not preparing seriously, by 28, फिर आप बोलोगे कि पेरेंट्स का प्रेशर है शादी करने का. No, please understand, this is हंसने की बात नहीं है. This is a reality. This is not in any way, well, I should not be even saying this, but the times are such कि कभी भी किसी का वीडियो कुछ निकल के आता है, I should give a disclaimer that certainly this is not at all sexist in any form. लेकिन fact ये है that as female, you are going to drop out of labor force if you don't get a job by 27 years. That is why LFPR of women is less as compared to men. One of the major reasons why LFPR of women is less. As men, again, ज्यादा खुश होने की बात नहीं है कि LFPR में रहोगे. LFPR में रह के भी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. As in लेबर फोर्स में रह के भी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. वो अल्टीमेटली पेट्रियार्की के ऊपर जा सकता है that why do women drop out of labor force and why do men not drop out of labor force. You can then say that social dynamics are such that अब nobody of us can do anything with respect to this. Individually हम change कर सकते हैं, but social level के ऊपर हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Individual steps ले सकते हैं. But yes, social dynamics are such that we expect that the man is going to earn, the woman is not going to. We expect that. वो expectation सही है या गलत है, you are the better judge of that. That is the reality of the society. वो patriarchal nature of society है, वो last argument है. But उस last argument से पहले इस सब line of thought के through जाना पड़ेगा. As men, you will not drop out of labor force. You will still end up doing being in some self-employment or being in some family business. As women, you can drop out of labor force because you can afford to drop out of labor force. So please understand the importance of this moment. When you are all in 20 to 22 years of age group, please realize this how important this time is. There's a huge opportunity, there is a huge aspect that you are missing out on as compared to your friends who are not preparing for civil services. आप सबके फ्रेंड्स जो प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हैं वो जॉब कर रहे हैं और साइमल्टेनियसली कोई ना कोई स्किल सीख रहे हैं. इस समय आप कोई स्किल गैदर नहीं कर रहे हो. यू हैव टेकन अ ह्यूज रिस्क बाय कमिंग हियर. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द रिस्क? पहली क्लास याद है? 10 लाख में से 10,000 नहीं हो गई कभी भी. 10 लाख में से 50,000 में आओ, 50 से 10 में आ सकते हो. जब 10 से लाख से 50 में आने की तैयारी करोगे ना, then you will realize that you are already gathering lot of skills. Then you will not even then you will see that easily you will go from here to here. If you are disciplined and inquisitive, remember the first class. If you are disciplined and inquisitive while you are preparing, if you have that strategy, then you are gathering these skills. You may not realize that you are gathering some skills, but that discipline is already building in skills into you. Otherwise, you will always remain here. केवल अगर ये सोच रहे हो कि तैयारी ऑटो पायलट मोड पे रहकर हो जाएगी, क्लास अटेंड करने से, विजन आईएएस को पैसा देने से, अपने मकान मालिक को पैसा देने से, तब आप यहीं के यहीं ठहरे हुए हो. अगर तैयारी कर रहे हो स्ट्रैटेजी बना के, तब आप यहां से यहां अपने आप पहुंच रहे हो. Then it does not matter, it doesn't matter much that whether you will be able to, let's say, crack civil services, you will definitely get some better job then. Understand the importance of time, that is this moment. Otherwise, you are only a statistic in a failed aspirants class. You are only a statistic that I will use to teach other students that unemployment in the country is voluntary and structured in nature. और कुछ नहीं रह जाओगे फिर. समझ में आया? Unemployment in India कैसे explain करते हैं? देखो,